Forecasters say there's a blizzard headed for Warren, Ohio this winter.
1570 WANR remembers the great radio stations here in the Valley.
And we think it's time to bring one back.
The Blizzard!
Hello. Hi, how are you? Jim Zippo here, sneaking out from inside your tiny radio speaker. I bet you're wondering how I got in here. I'm wondering how I'm going to get out.
I was tired of my lady. We'd been together too long.
I am in it for love. Honestly, cross my heart. Hope to pay alimony. John Landecker into the 70s. Of course, that would not include 1963, but I understand it was quite an evening.
Oh, what a night.
Classic Top 40. Eric Chase with the Hughes Corporation. Tip my canoe. Rock my dinghy.
So from coast to coast and around the world. Classic Top 40. Classic Top 40.
And how are you? Good afternoon. It's Eric Chase with tears of joy in my eyes just to be here with you.
Forecasters say there's a blizzard headed for Warren, Ohio this winter.
Get ready
There's a blizzard coming.
to 1570 WANR.
The greatest hits of all time. The Blizzard.